Hello, in today's video I'm going to unbox with you guys this very hair I was expecting yesterday. This hair came after I did a video about how we should buy the necessary thing to keep our human hair on the safer side. In the video I put on TikTok, I saw that anytime I do video, I noticed if I post it to TikTok, 3 4 minutes will just go off we just cut off from the video. I don't know why is that always happening like that. So this one didn't show. You understand? This for rolling your hair. If you want to recoil your hair, this tongue machine. Even this one didn't show in the video. I only saw this two. You understand? Which is the hair straightener in the hair straightener in this one. Yeah, I didn't see these two in the video. These are the things you must have to keep your hair in the safer side. Why do I always say we need things to keep our hair on the safer side? I will still explain. Like this hair I'm wearing now. These are rollers. Like this hair I'm wearing now. This is frontal, guys. Frontal hair. But I can use it to style any style I want. I can position it anyhow. I can use it to do center parts. I can use it to do side parts. I can use it to do all back. This very hair. This is frontal. I can use it to comb. Any preferable style that I want. I can comb it to any side. You can see the baby hair as well. That's for this hair. You know how I can use this to keep the coils, or I use this pattern of rollers, or this very pattern. You understand? Anywhere I want to push this set to, I can achieve any style I want to do with the hair. And what's so funny is this hair is like this thing I showed yesterday. This one is, you can even see, is the older type of it's not this one that they are doing now. I've had this long ago. When I started buying hair, that was when I quickly bought this one. You understand? The funny thing is, when somebody bought this set for me, this very hair that I'm going to open now, I said, please do let me see it now. Just show me in camera. And when he sent it to my WhatsApp, I was so tensed. I said, no, why didn't you tell me before buying it? I have the color before. I have the color before. But one thing comes to my heart, that even if I have the color before, this one is frontal. I can use it to do packing. I can use it to do side. I can use it to do all back. So nothing spoil. So we are going to unbox this and see this thing. What I was so I was so panicky thinking the hair would be the same. Many things came to me yesterday. I'm going to unbox only this hair, while I keep the other ones for tomorrow video. I don't want my video to be too much long. It is not my thing staying so much here. You can see this one. Omo, the part is so fine, as you can see. And most of the hair that they are bringing for me now, one of the things I like most in it is the hair, the part is so clean, like I don't know how to explain it, and they are glueless. No need for be stressing myself to get these things for frontal. You understand? No, after using GoToBit to install your frontal, you need this one to still wrap it up like for 2-3 minutes before you take it off. This one just came like glueless wigs. So fine and beautiful. I have this one long one. I have it in 30 inches. At least this one is a good idea for me too. May God bless her for me. I know she'll be watching this video. I love you. I love you so much. I like this so much. Beautiful. And the part is giving 10/10. 10/10. 10/10. This is one of it, guys. Let me keep it. I've passed the era of keeping my human hair near because it costs so much. You see, I'll just wrap it up like this. In my next video, I will be showing you guys what I ordered to install my human hair. It came along with all this one yesterday. I'll show you people tomorrow. You see, this is so amazing, guys. This is one of the hair. And this one was the second one that I was so afraid of. You see, the color is almost similar, but different pattern. This one is, what do I call it? This one is center, glueless, and this one is, you can see, this one is frontal. That's just the difference. I wanted to just cut this one off. I said, okay, let it arrive first so that I can make difference after the both. You see, this hair, if I'm not mistaken, this hair is like, this hair was bought, I think 2016 or 17. See the way it still look beautiful because of the way I keep them. This one is the hair. It's so fine. So fine. I appreciate it a lot. This is glueless Miss Ginger color, 24 inches. I love it so much. She has been calling, have you received it? Did you like it? She just wants me to tell her I like it. And I like it. In case you are watching this video, God bless you for me. I love the both hair. It's giving 100/100. 100/100. These two. I love the boats. The boat is superb. They are superb. I love them so much. Beautiful hair. Beautiful hair. Beautiful hair. don't spoil my. And another hair that came, I was just complaining that this my hair. Hmm. Everybody that know me know this. This 30 inches. How do I call this? 30 inches water wave. It's good to buy good hair. This is 10, 11 years now. Anybody that know me know this beautiful hair. But one thing is, what I normally do is, if I'm buying hair, I want to have extra. In case this one is, sometimes if you are using hair, it will be getting smaller. As time is going, that's what I think. So I want to have extra in case maybe the hair is reducing in weight. Then I will look for something to support it. I just complained to her and she gave me center part closure. She bought this for me, center part closure and ear to ear. I'll say end to end, ear to ear frontal closure. So that I will use my preference. You see? You see? See that I'm so lucky. And the hair looks exactly like the one I had before. And this one as well, to make it fuller. If I had this one in this, to this plenty hair, it will be like this. And that's how I like my hair. You see, if I comb this one, it will be like this. So I'm loving the hair. I love everything about it. God bless you. Bless you so much. Thanks for unboxing with me. Bye bye. See you in my next